Hey guys, today we're going to be reacting to
0 to 100 years in Finland. Let's see, I don't really know where this is, but let's check it out.
0, 1,
2.
Oh, I guess how like a stereotypical Finn looks like at any given age. Interesting, okay.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
13,
14,
15,
16, 17,
I
18,
wonder what's the purpose of this.
19,
I think they do like for every country. I guess, okay.
20,
I thought it would be more like a commentary video, but I guess, okay.
21,
22,
23,
24,
25,
26,
27,
28,
29, 30, 31.
You know, people are so different. This would be more interesting if it was like,
The same person?
yeah, like a same person projection or something, you know, like, because like people are different. Like, I guess, what do you expect to get out of this video?
I think like the different faces of Finland, like how everyone can look different, because if you think what they can look like, all maybe blonde hair, blue eyes.
I mean, I guess you could say that because like the kids, basically up to 10 years old or so, they like all look like very similar.
Mm-hmm.
But now we getting into adults, they do look quite different from one another. So I guess, yeah.
Because they say like for blonde is only for when you're young. It's like rare to be adult blonde because you turn into brown. Brown hair, brunette. That's what
Really?
they say,
I don't know.
32,
33,
Is that Karja?
31,
I feel like that's Karja, no?
The eyeliner gives it in.
32,
33,
34,
35,
36,
37,
38,
39,
Now they're
40,
changing.
41,
42,
43,
44,
45,
46,
47,
48,
49, 50,
51, 52,
53,
You know, that one person who's just sitting in the sun, somebody's like, oh, okay, can I do an interview with you in the sauna?
Yeah.
Like, god damn.
The best location so far.
55,
56,
57,
58,
59.
60,
61,
62,
63,
64, 65, 66,
67,
Did the other guy look like John Travolta?
68, 69,
70,
71,
72, 73,
74,
75,
76,
77,
Aww.
72.
You know, interesting. Seems like as they get older, they get happier. I guess that's where that
Really?
happiest country in the because like look at these older people. They all like seem well, not all. Some don't seem too happy, but most seem like pretty happy. Like is not to say that I guess younger weren't happy, but it's because I feel like if this was done in Lithuania, the older people they would not be like happy like that.
Wow.
Like that, just like interesting perspective.
8, 79,
80,
81,
82,
84, 85,
This is great.
86,
87,
88, 89, 90, 91, 92,
93.
94.
95.
96.
Do you think it's gonna be men or women?
97.
For 100?
Well, yeah, 100 or the remaining 3.
I think women, because women technically live longer than men, statistically anyway.
98.
Ooh, Beers.
99.
There we go.
100.
Wow, guy.
Oh. Aw.
Bonus. Oh, we going above?
That's the oldest.
Ikä? No, noin 300-400-vuotias minä olen. Aika hyvin näin
We're in Lapland.
kestäväksi mieheksi. Hyvää joulua teille kaikille ja onnellista uutta vuotta.
Okay.
Interesting.
What a project.
Ain't gonna lie, like the 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, whatever. That wasn't too. When we hit the 80s, 90s, it got interesting. At that
Because you
point,
try to envision yourself too. Like
Right,
you want to be there this long too.
right at that point, it got interesting.
Mhm.
The people looked good, man, for their age. I feel for the most part, everybody looked good for now. What is a stereotypical 100-year-old? I don't know, but I guess I'm not around old people like that, so you kind of like don't have an idea of what people like of that age look like. And my great grandfather, my great grandmama, they died of like in the 90s, not in the 90s, in their 90s. It's been a long time. Like I remember the idea of them, but I don't remember like their faces like in front of me like that to kind of like see. I remember my great grandmother more than my great grandfather, because great grandfather died in 2009, I think. Great grandmother died in like the 20-teens, so like I remember her more, but not like the faces like right in front of me, like, oh, this is what a 90 something 94-year-old man looks like. So it's interesting to see, but I will say that they all looked better than I thought you would look at that age though. So that was interesting to see.
Something to look forward to.
Yeah, like they didn't look as bad as I thought they would look. Not
That's good.
like not bad, but I guess just even the way they spoke, like it some felt like a little bit less energetic, like okay, maybe on their last leg. Others felt like well, no, I'm just saying, like others felt like really like the way they spoke, they were like full of energy. It's just because like the way you speak is also says like kind of like the condition your health is in, right? So yeah, it was interesting actually. But like I didn't think it would get this interesting as it was.
Wow, I can't wait for our turn when we turn 100.
Yeah, hopefully.
Okay, guys, of course, let us know your thoughts. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Join the Discord, and as always, share as much kindness as possible.